My dogs absolutely love a good dog puzzle toy. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This puzzle toy has so many ways to hide treats for your dogs. You can make it easy for them to get started, and then as they figure out how to use it, you can make it even harder. They never know what to expect, so it's always a fun challenge. There are so many places to hide treats in this toy. There are 4 sliding lid food boxes, 9 sliding food leak boxes, and 4 detachable flip lids. In total, there is actually 17 holes for dog treat dispensing in this toy. Puzzle toys are really great mental stimulation for your pets. If you have a dog that's a fast eater, you can use toys like this to force them to slow down and not only eat slower, but to be challenged while they're doing it. Mental stimulation is a great way to wear out your dogs on days when you can't necessarily get them outside for walks. I love that this has rubber feet on the bottom. This helps stop it from sliding all over the place as your pet is nudging it. Now, that's not to say that your pet can't move it, because some dogs will get very determined and they will flip it over, which it can happen, but some training can deter that from happening. This puzzle toy is also BPA and PVC free, and it's super easy to clean. Just some warm water and soap in the sink, and you'll be ready to use it again for next time. Overall, we found that this puzzle toy was really great for our dogs. As I said, my dogs already love toys like this, and they really have a good time with it. You can use this for mental stimulation, as a slow feeder, and as a training device. This is going to reduce your dog's boredom as well. If you're looking for a fun, challenging puzzle toy for your dogs, we recommend this.